Hi, this is Trevor Tegder, and I'm a Senior Support Engineer with Quest Software. I'm going to demonstrate how to migrate from an IMAP source with on-demand migration for email. Configuring the source connection settings within the on-demand migration for email portal. In this video, I will select the source system, enter the server name, enter the port, select whether or not to use SSL, test the connection, demonstrate potential email account security issues, add users to the list for migration, select migration options, and start the migration. I will create a new migration plan and call it Yahoo. For the system, I will select IMAP. I will enter the server name. For this demonstration, I will be using Yahoo Mail as an example. In this case, a simple Google search for Yahoo Mail IMAP settings revealed the server name is imap.mail.yahoo.com. The port was 993, and we will be using SSL. I will now go ahead and test the connection. I will enter in the source email account, which is odmetest@yahoo.com. I will enter in the password and press the test connection button. Now in this case, even though I know the email address and password to be correct, the test failed, authentication failed, incorrect username and password. Reviewing the source Yahoo email account presents us with a warning that a sign-in attempt was prevented. In this case, allow apps that use a less secure sign-in had to be enabled in order to successfully test the connection. I'll now go ahead and close the test connection box, and I will enter in the target information. I'll now click Save and Continue. I will now add the source mailbox. When migrating from an IMAP source, there is no option to use a single administrative account to impersonate the other users that are migrating. Instead, we must supply end-user credentials for each user. I'll now click Save and Continue. I will go ahead and use the default options for migration without any date filters. I will now click Save and Continue. I will now click Start Migration. Migration has completed. If I view the target Office 365 mailbox, I now see my test emails from Yahoo Mail. Migrating from an IMAP source, such as Yahoo Mail in this example, is just one of the many systems that on-demand migration for email can be used to migrate from. To learn more about on-demand migration for email, visit support.quest.com.